Bam. All right. Here we are at Disney. Not sure what we're gonna do yet, but we're about to find out. It's a little weird holding this camera and walking through a crowd of people and talking, so don't worry about it. All right, here we go. I think I'm gonna ride. I can't remember what this ride is called, but when we get there, I'm gonna let you know. But here we go. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. That's the ride for today. All right, here we go. Here we go. Alrighty. Yo. And since I have a mic on, it doesn't matter where I stand. Okay. So that concludes our ride for, I don't remember what the ride was called. Ride up here. I don't know. But yeah, that concludes the ride. And I'm probably gonna ride some more rides today. So yeah, but you don't know that. You'll just be like, oh, this is a fun video. I'll watch the next one. But I'm gonna ride them today. But it'll seem like I'll ride them another time. Okay, all right. That's it. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.